Hi, Amy from Syngenta, and today I'm going to share a few fun facts on everyone's favourite bug, the cockroach. Apart from being one of the most disliked insects, cockroaches are actually pretty interesting. One of the weirdest things about cockroaches is they can live for up to a week without their head. They breathe through holes in their body and they actually die of thirst because without a mouth, they can't drink water. How about this one? So cockroaches are amazingly fast. They can run up to speeds of 1.5 meters per second. That's like the human equivalent of 200 miles per hour. When it comes to food, cockroaches will eat absolutely anything. Fruit, glue, feces, and yes, even their own kind. What about this one, guys? So research has shown there's a protein contained in the saliva, feces, and the shed body parts of cockroaches that when kicked into the air, it can trigger asthma attacks. It's probably a good one to mention to the parents who have asthmatic kids in the house. And last but not least, my favourite one, cockroaches love a beer. So watch out. Apparently they're attracted to the sugar and the hops. Mention that to the dads of the house and I'm sure Advion will be in major demand. That's it on cockroaches for now. Some great stuff you could casually share with your customers. If you have any interesting or little known facts about cockroaches, be sure to leave them in the comments below and keep a lookout for more fun facts from Syngenta.